Hey, Sarabjit Sandhu from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and I'm an entrepreneur, blogger, teacher, wife, and mom, and I teach people how to start their blog, and I have a course on how to start your YouTube channel. So right now I am going to show you how you can make $100 per day easily. There are many ways to make money, such as blogging, your site ads, physical products, books, courses, your services, consulting, coaching, other side gigs, and affiliate sales. So right now I am going to talk about affiliate sales, how you can make $100 per day with ease or more than that. So first, let me tell you what is affiliate marketing or affiliate sales. When you are using some product, service, or course, or any online course or product, and you like them and you want to promote them, and you have a link for that, and people buy through that link, then you are making affiliate sales, and that is called affiliate marketing. And I am affiliate with few companies, but right now, last month I joined one funnel away challenge by Russel Brunson. It's a challenge to build a funnel for your business, basically to scale your business up. If you have a product or service, I recommend this challenge. It's a very good, excellent challenge, and I started that challenge in late August, last month, and that is a 30-day paid challenge for $100. With $100 you can join that challenge for 30 days, and within those 30 days you are going to build a funnel for your business. And plus, you can make affiliate sales with that, because you can join as an affiliate, and if you like the challenge, and then you can promote the challenge. This is what I did, because that challenge scaled my business up, tremendous growth for me, and plus I like the challenge very much. So I am promoting that challenge too, and plus I build my own funnel. I'm still tweaking my funnel. I got few sales, I'm tweaking it, and plus I got affiliate sales, as a friend wanted to join me because she saw me doing the challenge and getting the results and talking about the one funnel away challenge, bragging about it actually. Because I liked it very much. So when you like something very much and you talk proudly, that is almost bragging. So I was talking about that because I liked it very much. It helped me a lot. It helped me build my funnel, and plus it helped me start my podcast. So my point is I am promoting one funnel away challenge. So this is how I got $100 sale right away, and because my challenge got paid for itself. So my challenge is basically free because one of my friends joined it, and challenge started 2 days back, and the next challenge is starting on October 28th. So if you want to join that challenge, and if you like it, you want to promote it, I will put the link below in the video, and you can join the challenge. And if you like it, then you can promote it, and you can have affiliate sales, and you can make $100 per day with that easily if you are promoting it. So I will put the link below the video. If you have any question or you want to know anything about the challenge, just comment in the comment section, and I will make time to answer all the questions and everything. So